Lumabas na tayo, takasan na natin ang mundo. Magtago papalayo sa mas tahimik at payapang mundo. Umubulong ang hanging amihan at huni ng ibo.
So, EVP Kayo, so can you tell us a little bit about what happened? How did we get to start this whole restoration project?
So from what I can remember, meron na talaga silang problem with the roofing, with leaks that's affecting the house. So because they were problematic with funding, they decided to contact NCCA for possible funding. And JCI Lipa came into the picture primarily because they needed like a sort of intermediary. So NCCA is allowed to coordinate with NGOs to provide the funding to the NGO, and the NGO assists the heritage sites. So luckily, Casa de Segunda is in Lipa and there's JCI in Lipa. So that's how we became part of the initiative of restoring this beautiful heritage house in Lipa City. So right now, all the paintings are down because restoration is underway in the second floor and here on the ground floor. So I'm just here looking at all these things that used to be displayed. Puro lumang tao, no? So syempre, it's an ancestral site, but it's good to know that despite modern times, there's still places like this where you can just literally sit back, relax, and look back to the past.
Look at all of these paintings and memorabilia and stuff. A lot of history over here, where Tita is actually doing a lot of restoration and curating all of the needed items to be curated, and also
Heading the living history book of this place.
They're all having having a chit chat over there.
Mini history lesson.
And at first, when I got here, we were already being given a history lesson alongside with the NCCA. So I'm here at Casa Segunda, and the NCCA is here with JCI Lipa. They're assessing the whole restoration project of the roof so far. And of course, we're being given a history lesson here because there's lots of history here in Casa Segunda. So yeah, we're still discussing what is next, but restoring galore.